Japan's location on the Pacific Ring of Fire makes it a hotspot for seismic activity, with the country experiencing around 1,500 earthquakes per year. The unique combination of tectonic plate movement, volcanic activity, and geography creates a complex and dynamic environment that contributes to Japan's high earthquake risk. The Japanese archipelago is situated at the intersection of four tectonic plates: the Pacific, North American, Eurasian, and Philippine sea plates. This complex plate boundary is responsible for the country's mountainous terrain and frequent earthquakes. The Pacific plate is being subducted, pushed, beneath the other plates, a process known as subduction, which creates deep trenches in the ocean floor, such as the Japan Trench. As the Pacific plate sinks deeper into the Earth's mantle, it encounters increasing heat and pressure, causing the rocks to melt and form magma. This process leads to volcanic activity.